How to redeem NVIDIA game code 2026. Got a free game code from buying an NVIDIA GPU or a promotional bundle, and not sure where to actually enter it? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to redeem your NVIDIA game code in 2026 step by step, the fast and correct way. Before we start, here is one important thing to know. As of 2026, NVIDIA has fully moved away from GeForce Experience and now uses the NVIDIA app as the official platform for redeeming game codes. If you're still using GeForce Experience, you will need to update to the NVIDIA app to redeem your code successfully. Let us get into it. Step 1. Make sure your qualifying NVIDIA graphics card is physically installed in your PC. Some bundle codes include a hardware verification step, meaning the NVIDIA app will check that the qualifying GPU is actually present in your system before allowing redemption. Step 2. Download and install the latest version of the NVIDIA app. Search for NVIDIA app on Google and download it from the official NVIDIA website. If you already have it installed, open it and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Step 3. Open the NVIDIA app and sign in to your NVIDIA account. If you do not have one, create a free account using your email address. Make sure the name on your account matches your purchase details. Step 4. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the NVIDIA app. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem. Step 5. A redemption box will appear. Carefully type or paste your bundle code exactly as it appears and click Redeem. The system will verify the code and your qualifying GPU in one step. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Steam account if the game is being delivered through Steam. Click Sign in through Steam, log into your Steam account, and then click Redeem to send the game directly to your Steam library. Once confirmed, open Steam and the game will appear in your library ready to download and install. Now there are a few things worth knowing before you redeem. First, each code can only be redeemed on one NVIDIA account. If you have two codes from two separate purchases, you will need a second NVIDIA account for the second code. Second, if you already own the game on Steam, NVIDIA will not grant you a second copy, so the code will show as invalid. Third, some codes are region locked, meaning they must be redeemed in the same country where the GPU was purchased. And fourth, NVIDIA uses the NVIDIA app to perform a hardware verification step to ensure the coupon code is redeemed on the system with the qualifying GPU. So always redeem on the PC that has the qualifying graphics card installed. Now here is your pro tip. If you have already redeemed a coupon for a campaign bundle, you will not be allowed to redeem a second coupon for the same account. Also, if your code is not working immediately after purchase, do not panic. Partner retailers can take up to 14 days to email your code after a qualifying purchase. If you still have not received it after 14 days, contact the retailer directly rather than NVIDIA, since the retailer is responsible for issuing the code. So to recap, install your qualifying NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA app and sign in. Click your profile icon, select Redeem, enter your code, connect your Steam account. And click Redeem to send the game to your library. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides like this one. And drop a comment below telling me which game you redeemed. See you in the next one.